For today's tech tip of the day, I'm going to show you how to go into the Chrome Web Store to download or install extensions or apps. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and go to this little, there's 9 colorful dots up here that says apps, and again I'm in my Chrome browser. So I'm going to click that, and then right here it says Web Store. When I click that, now I'm in the Web Store. I can search by apps, games, extensions, or themes. Be careful of the themes. Some of them are not exactly appropriate. It's kind of like how to decorate the background of your Chrome, your web browser. Just be careful of some of them. So like for instance, extensions, I talked about zooming in and out, have an extension for that. So if I type in zoom in or zoom, and I click return, it's going to come up with different apps that have to do with zoom and then extensions, and this is the one I clicked on for a zoom extension to zoom in and out on my screen. One of my favorites that I like is undo. What's it called? Yeah, simple undo close. What this one does is, like, if you accidentally close out of a window that you needed to have, you can go to that extension. It looks like this one right here, and it shows you all of the tabs that I have closed recently, and then you can go back to the ones that the one that you need to reopen, and it brings that page back up. It's really nice. Notice my other extensions here. I have the GooGL shortener that creates a QR code of any web page I'm on right there, and also gives me a shortened version of the website I'm at. Ginger I like. It spell checks your spelling online. WOT is a nice one because it tells you if the website you're on is trustworthy or not. And of course we should all have a Catholic cross as an extension, and that just is up there as a Catholic cross to remind me to think of God often. I also have one for Symbaloo, so if I'm on a website and I want it to be added to my Symbaloo page, I can just click that, go to the right page I wanted added, and it adds the link right there. I talked about the undo. Of course, I have one for Pinterest. Again, if I'm on a website and I want to pin it, I click this, it opens up my Pinterest, and I can decide what board I want to put that on or what pin. And then I also love, and I've talked to you about, sent out emails before about Plan to Eat. This is also really nice too. It's an extension, so if I'm on a website and I like a certain recipe, I can click that extension, and again it copies the recipe for me. Very few times does it not recognize the recipe format, so I might have to copy it and paste it all in and dump it in, and that works too. But those are some of my favorite ones that I use. So that's how you get into the apps and extension. And one more thing too, the difference between an app and extension. An app is sort of like a web page. An extension are just these things up here at the top. They sort of make your browsing history or your browsing environment more enhanced, so that it enhances your browsing history. So if you think about those kinds of things, that's the difference between the two of them. So that's your tech tip of the day.